Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we're looking at page 11 here, and we have two things they show us. New key signature, C major. All notes are the natural tone. And in 51, we have some dynamics. Piano for soft, forte for loud, and in the first line we have a crescendo and a decrescendo. Then we have that again up to a crescendo, and then the second line it's staccato and piano for two measures, and forte and staccato for two measures. All right, the last two measures, the second to last measure is tenuto, that smooth sound, and then staccato at the end. And we go with halfway down, dealing with half steps. Let's try that again. All right, and in 53, we have mezzo piano, medium soft, and mezzo forte, medium loud. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.